How does the Gemini app work? Intro. Hey everyone, you have a personal assistant who can do anything you ask, from answering questions to writing essays. What if this assistant was always available, right in your pocket? That's the power of the Gemini app. Hook. Ever wondered how it works? Let's dive in. Building context. Gemini is a revolutionary AI language model developed by Google. It's designed to understand and respond to natural language prompts in a way that's both informative and engaging. Think of it like having a super smart friend who can access and process information from the entire internet. How Gemini works, the core concepts. At the heart of Gemini is a complex neural network architecture. This network is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, allowing it to learn patterns, understand context, and generate human-quality text. The process starts when you type a prompt into the Gemini app. This prompt is then processed by the neural network, which breaks it down into its constituent parts and analyzes its meaning. Using its vast knowledge base, Gemini searches for relevant information and constructs a response. This response is then passed through another part of the neural network, which ensures it's grammatically correct, coherent, and informative. Key features and capabilities. Let's explore some of the incredible things Gemini can do. Question answering. Ask Gemini anything, from complex scientific questions to trivia. It can provide detailed and informative answers. Summarization. Have a long article or document? Gemini can summarize it for you in a few sentences. Translation. Need to translate text from one language to another? Gemini can do that too. Creative writing. Gemini can help you brainstorm ideas, write stories, or even compose poetry. Coding assistance. If you're a programmer, Gemini can help you write code, debug errors, and explain complex algorithms. Real-world examples. To give you a better idea of how Gemini works, let's look at some real-world examples. Example 1. Imagine you're trying to learn a new programming language. You can ask Gemini to explain complex concepts, provide code examples, and even help you debug your code. Example 2. Let's say you're planning a trip. You can ask Gemini for recommendations on hotels, restaurants, and attractions. It can even help you plan your itinerary. Example 3. Need help with homework? Gemini can provide explanations, answer questions, and even generate essays. The future of Gemini. As technology continues to advance, we can expect Gemini to become even more powerful and versatile. It's possible that in the future, Gemini could be used to develop AI-powered personal assistants, automate customer service, and even assist with medical diagnoses. Conclusion. The Gemini app is a remarkable tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with information and technology. By understanding how it works, we can better appreciate its capabilities and harness its power to improve our lives. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.